Maxspeedmotorsports.com. Today I'm going to talk about the backup cameras. We now offer two different types of cameras. This is the new center mounted camera. Obviously it will need to be drilled through the bumper. At the end of this video there is a few clips of me installing the camera on an actual bumper on a Porsche 911, so you'll see what it's all about. But remember, this camera, the center mounted one, might look a lot better, might be look more symmetric because it's centered. However, you don't get the grid lines. All you get is an image to your PCM. And of course you have to drill your hole, so it's not reversible. If you decide to remove it at some point, or I don't know, whatever reason you have a hole in your bumper, obviously the hole, very difficult to see. You gotta peek underneath in order to see a hole that was drilled. However, if we stick with if you want to stick with the original method, this is the original version. As you can see, the camera installs into the replaces the license plate light. It's got built-in LEDs as well. This one clips on. There's no drilling, none of that stuff. And this camera does have the grid lines. So remember, whatever you choose, they're both great quality image. However, one doesn't have the grid lines, which will be the center one, and the license plate original backup camera that we sold from the very beginning, that one does have the grid lines. So the follow-up video is coming right now in a few seconds, showing you how it's installed. Again, bumper remover is required for center mounted camera. If you install the original camera, there is no bumper removal. Thank you very much, and the clip is coming in. Thank you. All right guys, so I did install the camera. As you can see, it's straight in the center, right over here. So I used a 1564 drill bit to make the hole. And basically, once you install this camera, you know, this is what it looks like. There you go. It's right there. And you know, I route the wire and I attach it with zip ties. And that's it, boys. Thank you.